Hi, and welcome to another 5-minute UAD tip. Today, we're going to look at the API 2500 Bus Compressor plugin. The API 2500 is one of the most used bus compressors in modern music today. Known as the king of the two-bus, the 2500 is also perfectly at home on drums, bass, or any subgroup in a mix. Let's take a tour. Aside from the unique tone and link sections, the 2500 has familiar controls like threshold, attack, ratio, release, and makeup gain. The tone and link sections are the keys to its unique ability to shape sounds. Knee simply determines how sharply a compressor engages as it hits the target threshold. Hard is more aggressive, whereas medium softens the transition, and soft lets you really ease into compression. Thrust is a signature feature of the 2500 that lets more low energy pass through the compressor. Medium and loud give you a punchy tone with reduced pumping. Type lets you choose between old and new compressor topologies. Old is a feedback style compressor, which is smooth and gentle, and new is a feed-forward design, which provides a much harder compression. The link section is also unique to the 2500, and it enables you to set the amount of interaction between the two channels. Independent allows the two compressors to work separately, which is great for enhancing the stereo width of program material. 100 sums the detectors together so the left and right sides compress evenly, like most stereo compressors. The 5 settings in between allow you to further tailor the side-to-side interaction. Let's start with some light compression on the master bus. A great rule of thumb is to set all of the compressor controls to 12 o'clock. Using the old-style compressor with a soft knee and loud tone, you'll get clean, transparent compression. Now let's dig down into the mix a bit by lowering the threshold. And now let's really crush it with the new type and use the mix control to blend in the dry mix for some inline parallel compression. Of course, drums are a natural fit for the 2500, so here we'll insert one on the dry drum bus and dial in some slamming, exaggerated compression with the new style, aggressive ratio, and thrust set to normal. Then we'll use the mix control to bring some of the dry signal back in for some nice parallel compression. On the bass, the 2500 is perfect for creating a solid foundation. We'll start with Adam Hawkins' rock bass preset to fatten up the notes. This will really help with the kick-bass relationship. On guitars, vocals, and other melodic instruments, the 2500 can really help shape the envelope and get sounds to gel. Here, we'll highlight the articulation of the rhythm guitar. As you can hear, the API 2500 has earned its place as one of the most revered compressors available today. And now you can bring all the discrete analog goodness of this modern classic to your music with the world's most accurate API 2500 plugin, only from Universal Audio.